Hey guys, we received this vintage diary for test and try. So let's open this. So comes in a really nice fabric cloth bag. So you can also gift it to someone. And this is the main like the leather top, and then also this strap like a journal from the old age. So it's a vintage thing, and you can see the pages. So these are the vintage pages inside, but it's a really high quality thick pages and have the things inside. So you can just put in the date, it's like a journal, nice pages, quality pages, and then also the bookmark thing inside, and also is the leather top. So you can also then place and then close it like a old journal style. So really a nice old journal, vintage style journal book for use. So you can strap it and you can see the stitches and everything. It looks really good and nice.